What is up, guys? Colin back with a new fishing video, and today we are back on the Delaware River doing some striper fishing here in beautiful Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I got about an hour and a half to do some fishing. Hopefully I can pull a nice one out. If not, still a beautiful day on the river, but hopefully I can get some action for you guys. If you guys are new to the video, please like and subscribe. If not, I'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for the action. Guys, all the rods are out in the water. I got two poles. Got one right there, one directly behind me. I just cast it. Both are out in the water. I'm using bunker. Guys, the wind is crazy right now. It's 18 miles per hour currently. I'm here on the open Delaware River here in Philadelphia. So just bear with me with this wind. I'm sorry, I'm doing all I can. My mic is probably brutal right now, but the fish are biting. Let's go. That was definitely a hit. Yeah, that thing's nuts. About to pack it up in here for about half hour, and got the first hit. First beautiful fish. She's 18 inches. Can't ask for anything better than this. Just came out quick here on a nice morning. It's currently, the tide's coming in. First fish of the day, baby. Let's go. Guys, just caught the first fish, guys. I was packing it up because the wind is crazy right now. It's 18 miles per hour, northeast north. So, and you can tell I'm literally on the open Delaware right now. Just got the first fish. She measured 18 to 19 inches. Guys, I don't know how this audio is going to turn out because the wind is cooking. I'm trying my best here. So bear with me. I'm talking as loud as possible. But if it's annoying, I'm so sorry. But first fish out of the water. Beautiful first one. I'm going to stay here for maybe 30, 45 more minutes. See if I can pull another one out. Hopefully we hit a school. Let's go, baby. First fish. Guys, just pulled out a big catfish. Going for striper, but I'll still take a nice catfish. Woo! Got him off the bunker, baby. Look at this guy. Catfish, beautiful fish. Been fishing for maybe 45 minutes. Got 2 fish so far. Nice striper, nice cat. So getting a lot of action. They're hitting the bunker today, fresh bunker. Here in beautiful Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, on the Delaware River, guys. Can't ask for anything better than this. Best type of fishing right here, guys. And that wraps it up today on the river. Fished for about an hour. Got two nice fish. Got 1 striper, 1 catfish. Striper is about 19 inches, 18 inches. Catfish, I didn't measure it. Probably was good 22 inches, 23 inches, but probably good 4 or 5 pounds. It was a nice size one. Still a great day on the water. Fished for an hour, caught 2 fish. Can't ask for anything better than that. Got a lot of action, a lot of bites using bunker. So guys, if you guys are new to the video, please like and subscribe. If not, I'll catch you in the next one.